we are going to solve what is actually problem number 2, but I have done it third. So the directions say label each missing side length and calculate the perimeter of the shaded rectangle. So that's pretty important. They want to know this perimeter, not the perimeter of that whole rectangle. So I need to be a detective one more time and figure out my missing side lengths, which is all of them. I need to look at this bottom. I'm going to make my cuts here and here so that I can figure out what my missing side lengths are. If this whole thing is 11 and I cut right there, I need to know what each side would be. So if I were to extend my line like this, I know that this top is 5 inches, and because that makes a rectangle, this bottom is 5 inches. If I took 5 inches away, I've cut it away from 11 inches, that leaves me with 6 inches. So this bottom is 6 inches. And because that's a rectangle and I know the rules about rectangles, I can figure out the top is 6 inches. So I figured out 2 side lengths. I just need to figure out these up and down sides. That's where this cut is going to come in. I know that this entire length right here is 12 inches, but I'm going to cut off that bottom part. They tell me that this is 3 inches. So if I were to take, if I'm going to cut away 3 inches from 12, that leaves me with 9 inches. So that makes this 9 inches, and it makes the other side 9 inches because of my rule about rectangles. So I have now figured out the side lengths for that rectangle. I'm going to use a tiny bit of multiplication. 9 times 2 is 18, and 6 times 2 is 12. So I'm going to add those 2 numbers to figure out the perimeter of that shaded rectangle. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the total area is 30 inches. That one was easier than you thought, right? Okay, good luck on the back side.